Good afternoon, cocksuckers and cockmonglers and whatever else, whatever other keywords will get me banned from the YouTube algo. How we doing? Little market update poo, whatever the fuck. I'm kind of tired at the moment, so it's going to be a little lackluster. SPY has been relatively respectful. It's been pretty choppy all day. Nothing spectacular. It's not the greatest looking chart either. And what makes me say that is the volatility that we're starting to see just between the highs and the lows of the past couple sessions is within what 2%. So each move is about 2%. Each ebb and flow is representative of 2%, which you don't want to see that much movement being accounted for so easily when it comes to having a stable indice, to have all of your other relative securities being traded relative to. So anywho, in good news, at least it's coming along the accumulation bands. That does look good, and it has been respecting that relatively well on the 5 minute. On the 1 minute, looks like we might be pushing into distribution, but it's kind of in no man's land right now. It looks like it wants to get rejected. Go up here and probably re-nest somewhere down in the 418, 419 range. On the macro trend of this, dog shit. Looks fucking awful. This is not good. This is no bueno. This is far from bueno. In terms of what the Wyckoff sniper sees, the nearest accumulation band is all the way up at 426, and just based on the amount of volatility that we're seeing, if you were to get a move like that up to 426, the benchmark for how much you're looking to deviate up and down within a standard time frame is about 2%. So it's too much volatility, and it's going to get out of hand. And if you take a look at where we've been for the past however many years now, this is not fucking viable. And this looks like a catastrophe. Anyhow, let's move on to some of the other hot picks. Let's take a look at our boy Jimbo. I'm pretty sure today has been mostly, I want to say it's accumulation. I'm going to go to the 1 minute. Yeah, so we're jumping into distribution now. Up 1.9% on the day. Looks like he wants to do something going into close. Looks good though. Rejected off of the distribution band earlier, which is a good sign because it's at least showing stability during its where it's nesting in terms of trend. It's not jumping all over the place. It's something that people can at least look at and be like, okay, this is somewhere where I'm comfortable entering, or for idiots out there, comfortable exiting. It does look like though he wants to do something special going into the next 15 minutes or so. Which leads us to Amy, which I'm assuming is trying to do, same thing. Just now pushed out of the third distribution band on the fucking 1 minute. That was a weak burp. On the 5 minute pure accumulation, we're just now actually exiting the uppermost accumulation band. So it looks like there's a runway to 1670, which people are going to immediately think to themselves, well, it's not that much. Well, think about terms of percentages, you fucking moron. That's almost a 5% move, 6% move, pretty much spelled out for it, given nothing else goes fucking haywire. So that's a good sign. But mostly accumulation. And it looks like it's done shitting itself in terms of the macro trend. And it caught very well onto the 1 hour accumulation band. So that is a good sign. 1 hour price target is 2240. And we also have this breakdown of the distribution bands taking place, which alleviates downward pressure. Let's see. We'll check on Mullen real quick. Up 7% on the day. Not bad. Riding the distribution cloud, so that's good. All of the distribution bands have actually clustered up. I feel like the 30 minute might tell a better story. Kind of the same thing as Amy and Jimbo in terms of formation. It's approaching its second layer of accumulation. it might retouch down here and then retest along this this second line. I don't know. We'll fucking see. That would put us around May 4th, though. Just that little napkin math, napkin TA. BRQS down 5% on the day. That sucks dick. It actually caught, apparently, at the uppermost distribution band on the 30-minute. On the 1 hour, same thing. It got rejected off of the third distribution band. Definitely going to see reaccumulation take place, so something along the lines of this. Your classic reaccumulation schematic. What was the other one? What are the other fucking picks people are talking about? Oh, let's do SMDL for shits and gigs for our boy Lou. How you doing, crazy motherfucker? I'm so glad he's not relevant anymore. When did this happen? That was late March. Okay. Bounced off of the uppermost accumulation band. So that's a good sign, at least. Targeting 65 cents in terms of accumulation. Let's do Tesla too. Fuck it. Tesla not looking good. Looks like it wants to seek out accumulation all the way down at fucking 815. That's what that looks like. Yeah, not looking good. Not looking good. I mean, maybe the 15 minutes tells a different story. Nope, same thing. Way below accumulation. There was BRQS, and then there was one more. What were the other fucking picks people were talking about? Apparently, Beyond Meat is doing some fuck shit. Evidently up 21%. What the fuck? Okay. Interessante. Huh. Well, it was at the bottom of its accumulation cloud. Oh, that would have been a buy signal. Yep. Very interesting. I don't know what the fuck's going on here. Scrolling through Twitter. Oh, speaking of DWAC. DWAC was up, I think, 20% today, and it's actually bouncing between its distribution layers. So that's a great sign. What's it doing on the 1 hour? Oh, it got rejected off of its accumulation cloud on the 1 hour. Very interesting. What about the 4 hour? Yeah, it's a spring. And for some reason, Wyckoff Sniper is not rendering. Yeah, that's solid. That's solid. Actually, might jump into calls right after I record this. Kind of, yeah, in the middle of no man's land on the 1 minute. It's probably something like that. What's SPY doing? SPY J chillin'. That's a spring. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. Because I got to go attend to my own degeneracy in the stock market and make sure that I'm not losing any trades. So, yeah, hopefully that helped a few of you cocksuckers out. And I'll see you sometime in the near future. Stay black.